Hi everyone, my name is Stacy and today I'm going to show you how to make naan bread. Now this bread is cooked on a hot skillet, it goes well with curries, or you can just eat it plain with butter. So anyways, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is combine a half a cup of warm water, 2 teaspoons of yeast, and 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. We're just going to mix this up and let it sit for about 5 minutes before we add the rest of our ingredients. Next, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 egg, and a half a teaspoon of sea salt. I'm just going to stir this up until it's blended a little bit. And now I'm going to add 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. Just give this a little stir. Okay, so my dough is a little bit sticky, and so I will just add in a little bit more flour just to make it into a soft dough. And just keep kneading it until it's nice and smooth. It should only take a few minutes for this. Okay, let me just show you what the dough ball looks like. Once it's kneaded, it's just gonna be kind of a smooth ball. It's gonna have a few bumps on it, but not a big deal. So we're gonna put it back into our bowl, and we're gonna cover the bowl with a nice damp cloth and let it just rise until it's about double in size. Anyways, I will be right back. All right, so our dough is now ready, and we're gonna go ahead and just break this up into 8 equal pieces. So I'm gonna start out with just rolling it out slightly, just so I can cut it kind of in wedges. At least that's how I'm gonna do it to make my equal pieces. So just like cutting a piece of pie. Okay, so now I'm just gonna roll out each of these dough balls to about 1/8 inch thick, and then I'm going to fry them in our hot skillet with a little bit of oil. Okay, so all of the naan bread has been rolled out into about 1/8 inch thick, and I'm just gonna fry it in this pan. It's gonna puff up, and then I'm gonna flip it over on the other side. So it's kind of like cooking tortillas. It just gets golden brown on one side, you flip it over and get the other side golden brown. Let me just finish these up, and then I'll show you what they look like.